How to send transfer on Dropbox app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so easy and simple. Just go to Dropbox. This is the home page. Now go down here and click on this plus icon. Now here all what you have to do now is click on send transfer right here. As you can see, after you click on it, it will take you here. Click continue, and now click and choose the file that you want, for example to this one, and click transfer one file and click continue. And now as you can see, click continue and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.